In this video, I am going to show you how we can use date command in Linux. So first of all, we can use the simple date command. So it has given you day is Wednesday today, and date is May 15th, and time is 11:13, and Indian Standard Time, and 2024 is the date. Also, you can use its help command. It show you various options you can combine with this command. And here you can also control the output by using this sequences, using this option. For example, if I want to show date, you need to include plus and then percentage, then capital R. So it will show you only the time, not the date, not the day, not the year. So make sure you are referring to the correct syntax, because here R percentage R refers to 24-hour and minute time, and small r is located 12-hour clock time. Right? So this will show you like this. And also we can use the percentage X to show only the date. So in this way, you can use the date command and the various options. Thanks for watching.